dear guests, Mr. Director. It's an honor to contribute to this vital discussion on the legal protection for same-sex families in Bulgaria, particularly in relation to EU law and to the rulings of the European Court of Human Rights. I would like to extend my gratitude to the Glass Foundation and the Friends Institute for their dedication and hard work in organizing this event. Their commitment to promoting human rights and equality is both admirable and essential in our collective efforts to ensure a more just and inclusive society. As we gather here to explore the current landscape of legal protections for same-sex families in Bulgaria, it can be useful to reflect on the experiences and legislative progress made in other parts of Europe. In this regard, I can share some things about the journey of the Netherlands towards recognizing and protecting the rights of same-sex couples and families. In 2001, our country became the first in the world to legalize same-sex marriage, marking a historic milestone in the fight for LGBTQI+ rights. This groundbreaking legislation was the result of years of advocacy and a societal commitment to embracing diversity and to ensuring equal treatment for all individuals, regardless of their sexual orientation. The legalization of same-sex marriage in the Netherlands came into effect in 2001 following the Act on the Opening Up of Marriage in 2000. This act amended the Dutch Civil Code to allow same-sex couples to marry, thereby granting them the same legal rights and responsibilities as opposite-sex couples.